Sometimes, in a moment of crisis, we keep searching for answers. The solution, we think, must be somewhere out there. So, we keep looking and looking. Suddenly, in a moment of pure intuition, in a moment of true self-belief, we realize the answer, the solution, is within. We must transform to take the lead in a brave new world. A world where India will show its true colors. The solution for India's vertical transportation is Johnson Lifts, the company with 57 years of legacy, now ready to take on the world. Johnson Lifts, an Indian leader rising on the global stage.